Good morning. As a detailer, there's certain things that I just love to do on cars because it's so satisfying to clean. You want a guy like me working on your car because I love to clean things. Who likes to clean? The rare detailer. So check this out. We're talking door jambs on this Nissan. Now it's already pretty neglected when you got moss growing like that. Welcome to Oregon. And this kind of stuff in here, this moss. But today we're gonna focus on door jambs. Do you hate it when you go to get in your car and the jambs look like this? You know, even if you wash the outside, the jambs look dirty. You don't wanna get in with your foot and get your pants and stuff dirty. So what do? You clean them. I'll set the camera up here and just go through a quick process. Okay, check this out. Much better. Especially down here. That's just the very first step in detailing this car, but it's one that us detailers find so satisfying and we love it. Thanks for watching.